Do you recognize these signs of a defective airbag in your Honda? Airbags are an integral safety feature in modern vehicles, including your Honda, and protect occupants during collisions. The airbags work in conjunction with other safety systems, sensors, crash sensors, and electronic control unit, ECU. Understanding the potential issues with airbags is crucial for Honda owners to identify warning signs and take necessary actions. Typical cues of malfunctioning airbags. Dashboard warning light. If you see a warning light on your dashboard that looks like an airbag, it means there might be a problem with your airbag system. The light may stay on or blink continuously, telling you to take action immediately. False deployment. Sometimes, the airbags can deploy unexpectedly, even when there's no accident, and this is called false deployment. If your Honda's airbag deploys without any reason, it's important to seek professional help right away. Faulty airbag inflator. Some inflators have defects that can make them break or rupture when the airbags deploy. You might hear strange noises like hissing or whistling from the steering wheel or dashboard area if the inflator has a problem. Non-deployment during a collision. If the airbags don't inflate when they should, it could mean there's a serious issue with the airbag system. If the airbags don't come out like they're supposed to, you need to have the system checked and repaired immediately. Factors responsible for malfunctions in Honda airbags. Natural breakdown. With age, the materials used in the airbag system, such as the fabric covering or the electrical connections, can deteriorate. This aging process can lead to weakened structural integrity or compromised functionality, making the airbags less effective during collisions. Inflator issues. Use of substandard materials, such as ammonium nitrate-based propellants, can lead to inflator degradation over time. This degradation increases the risks of inflator rupture, resulting in potentially hazardous deployments. Environment factors. Extreme temperatures, high humidity, and exposure to moisture can accelerate the degradation of airbag components. Over time, these environmental factors can compromise the integrity and reliability of the airbag system. Euro Plus Automotive, your trusted partner for Honda airbag safety. At Euro Plus Automotive, we understand how important a properly functioning airbag system is in protecting the occupants. Our state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment and genuine Honda parts ensure that your airbag system is restored to its optimal functionality.